Good morning, everyone. Today, once again, let us revise about cuboid and cube. After that, we will write the
Good morning,
same
ma'am.
in the notebook. So, what is this, my dear children? What is this?
Rectangle. 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 Rectangle.
Is it rectangle?
ഒന്നും ചെയ്യണ്ട നീ
Is it rectangle?
അതൊന്നും ചെയ്തില്ലേ
Cuboid.
Ah, yes,
Cuboid.
cuboid. Cuboid. It's a three-dimensional shape. It's a
Cuboid.
cuboid. Yes. For a cuboid, all these are faces. All these
Cuboid.
rectangles are faces. How many faces are there for a cuboid? How many faces?
6 faces.
Faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces are there for a cuboid. Okay. All the faces are in what shape? All the faces.
Square. Square.
I'm asking, all the faces are in what shape? What is the shape of each face? Rectangle. 6 faces are there. Each faces are in rectangle shape. Now, all the sides of these rectangles are edges. What we can call? Edges. Oh, how many edges are there? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Backside same. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges are there. For a cuboid, 12 edges are there. How many vertices are there? 8 vertices. Or 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. Okay. So for a cuboid, 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Okay. Like that. What is this?
Square.
It's only square you can see. Cube. This is a cube, my dear children. Say it's not flat shape. It's a fat shape, right? It's not flat. Flat shapes are square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Flat shape. This is fat. Fat shapes. They are cuboid, cube, cone, sphere, cylinder. This is fat, right? Fat. Huh? So this is a cube. For a cube, how many faces are there? Badra, listen. Badra, listen. For a cube, how many faces are there? 6 faces are there. All the faces are in what shape? Square shape. All the 6 faces are in square shape. How many edges are there? The sides of squares are the edges. How many edges are there? 12 edges are there. Total 12 edges are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges. How many corners? How many corners? How many vertices? 8. Yes. 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. Let us draw that. All of you ready?
Yes.
Take your notebook. All of you take your notebook. Yes. So first one is cuboid. The first box. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. All of you write. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid.
Ma'am, right?
Yes, you can start writing. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Now, I'll show you how to draw cuboid. Have you all written cuboid?
Ma'am, C-U-B.
O-I-D. Once again, wait. Wait. Once again, I will show you. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. C C U B O I D, cuboid. Clear? Now, to draw a cuboid, first, what do you want to draw as? Here you have to leave space here to draw a cuboid. So, write the side. And how to draw a cuboid is, first you have to draw a rectangle like this. Okay. And
Ma'am, the next box.
yes. No, the same box. You have to write cuboid. In the same box, you have to draw a cuboid. So you can write cuboid heading in the side, in a corner. So you will get space. After that, have you all drawn
Yes.
rectangle? Then one more
Yes.
rectangle you can draw like this. Draw one more rectangle like this. So total 2 rectangles you have to draw. So 2 rectangles. After that, you can draw two rectangles like this. Just two. After that, have you all completed 2 rectangles?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Okay. Draw.
Yes.
After that, you can join the corners of the rectangles like this. This corner can be joined to here, and this corner can be joined to here. This corner can be joined to here like this. Join the corners. Use your scale to join the corner.
Ma'am, Bhadra, finish.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, now wait. We are going to
I
continue.
am finished.
Isa, please unmute. Isa, please unmute. Isa Maria, can you hear me, Isa?
Yes, ma'am.
For a cuboid, how many faces are there?
6 faces.
Yes, very good. 6 faces. So, my dear children, those who have completed drawing, they can write here under the column faces, you can write 6 faces. Edwell, please unmute.
Ma'am, write this.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
For cuboid, all the faces are in what shape?
Rectangle.
Oh, rectangular shape. Very good. Now, Elvin, please unmute and tell me how many edges are there for a cuboid? Sides of. Very good. 12 edges. Now, Aldrin Shibu, please tell me how many vertices are there for a cuboid? How many vertices? Vertices, corners.
8.
8. Yes, very good. 8 vertices. Have you all completed?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Is there anybody left to complete this much?
Yes, ma'am. Bhadra completed.
Good.
Ma'am, finished.
Okay, okay. Those who have completed, please wait. Is there anybody left to complete? If anybody is there, please raise your hand.
No, ma'am. Finished.
Okay.
I think the finished.
Now let us draw cube. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can write the heading. Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube.
Ma'am, C-U-B-E cube.
Yes, you can write that heading in the corner. Then you will get enough space to draw the cube. C-U-B-E. Cube.
Ma'am, I'm completed.
Okay, okay, let us complete. After that, we will draw.
Bhadra completed.
Have you all completed the heading cube? C-U-B-E.
Yes,
Now I will show you how to draw a cube. For that, first you have to draw a square. Okay, draw a square like this. Almost. Oh, here I won't get enough space. So, draw a square like this. Everybody draw a square. The same
Finish, ma'am.
the same space, draw a square. Now,
Ma'am, completed.
completed.
Bhadra completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, Bhadra completed.
Okay, okay. So, have you all completed one square?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you have to
Yes,
draw
ma'am.
one more square almost from the center of the, see, try to draw from almost from the center. If it is not that much, center also no problem. Like this, draw one more square. One more square you can draw like this.
Hiba completed.
Okay. So, those who have completed, You can join the corners of
Man,
squares as we done in the
cube completed full.
huh?
Man, now also full completed.
Good, good, good.
Ma'am, and Donna full complete.
Okay. So after drawing these two squares, join the corners.
Ma'am, Hiba also full completed.
Okay, those who completed, please wait for others. Like this, you can join the corners. Join the corners. You can draw using your scale and pencil. Okay. Bhadra, please unmute and tell me how many faces are there for a cube? How many faces are there for a cube? Faces. How many squares are there in a cube?
4.
Only 4 squares you can see. See the cube in my hand. Only 4 squares.
Ma'am,
Ah,
6.
Bhadra.
12.
Bhadra,
Yes,
I won't answer
ma'am.
from Bhadra. Others, please keep your audio muted. Bhadra, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
How many squares you can see?
12. Ma'am, 12.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Somebody is telling 12. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. This is the cube. Faces means these squares are the faces. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bhadra, listen. Bhadra, listen. 5, 6. All of you, please listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many faces are there?
Ma'am,
6 faces are there. How many faces are there for a cube?
6.
6 faces are there. All the faces are in what shape?
Goya.
Square shape. Okay. All the faces are in square shape. 6 faces are there. All the faces are in square shape. So all of you write faces. 6 square faces. For a cube, 6 square faces. Now, Angela, can you tell me how many edges are there? Angela? Oh, yes, very good. 12 edges. 12 edges and all edges are in same length.
12.
Yes. Shri Parvati, can you tell me how many vertices are there?
8.
8. Very good. 8 vertices. So for a cube, 12. Sorry, 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices.
Ma'am, I completed.
Good. Those who completed, please go through the table. Those who completed, please wait for others to complete.
Completed.
Okay.
Completed.
Is there anybody left to complete?
No, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. So can I stop sharing?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Rayan? Okay. Somebody is there. Rayan is there to complete. Yes, please wait for him. Let us give few more minutes for him to complete. Others, please go through the table and study this. How many faces are there for a cuboid? How many faces are there for a cube? How many edges are there for a cuboid? How many are there for cube? All of you, please revise it. Sit and revise it. Okay, now can I stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, the next figure, next shape is, can anybody name this? Cylinder. Yes, cylinder. For a cylinder, these are the faces. Okay, this is a curved face. This circle is a face. This circle is a face. So how many faces will be there for a cylinder? This is a face. This one is a face, and down for face.
No, pieces.
Huh?
Two.
This is a face. This one is a face. This one is a face.
Two. Three.
Three faces. Top one face, bottom, and this curved face also. Total 3 faces are there for a cylinder. Okay. Can you give some examples for cylinder?
Battery.
Oh, battery.
Pencil.
Pencil. And marker pen. Marker pen.
Gas cylinder.
Sorry?
Cylinder.
Your sound is not audible to me.
Cylinder.
Yes, cylinder. Yes, LPG cylinder.
Wow.
Candle. Very good. Candle. Then
Baby sticker.
we show me that that gum. Okay, that gum's bottle is like
Glass.
okay. Then bomb.
Glass.
Yeah, many bottles are there in cylinder shape.
Glass.
Glass, yes, glass.
Bottles.
Bottles. Almost all the bottles are in cylinder shape. So, okay, enough. These many examples are enough. Yes, now I understood. All of you know what is cylinder shape. So, gas cylinder, LPG cylinder, pen, battery, candle. All these are examples of cylinder shape. Now, for this cylinder, how many faces are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 faces are there. And these 2 circles are the edges. Okay, we can see here one edge, here one edge. These 2 circles are the edges. So how many edges will be there?
2.
2 edges. One is here, one is here. 2 edges. Now, can you see any vertices in this shape? Any vertices, any corners in this shape? No. For a cylinder, no corners. Okay, no vertices. For a cylinder shape, no vertices or no corners. Okay, once more. For a cylinder, how many faces are there? How many faces are? Three faces are there. Two flat faces and one curved face. So total 3 faces are there. And how many edges are there? Edges. Two edges. Two edges are there. How many vertices are there? How many vertices are there? Irene, it's wrong. Vertices I am asking. Corners. Zero. No corners or zero vertices or zero corners. Once more I will repeat. After that we can write. For a cylinder, 3 faces, 2 edges, no vertices. Okay? So all of you open your book. Ah, yes. Give the heading. Cylinder. CYLINDER. NDER. Cylinder. CY. Aaron, right? Next column. Cylinder. Oh, yes, dear. CYLIN. Okay.
What cylinder spelling?
CYLINDER. Cylinder.
Cylinder. Completed.
CYLI. Write the heading. You can write it in a corner. You can write it in a corner so that you will get enough space to write. Completed?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Okay. Now let us draw cylinder. Have you all completed the name? Now, very easy to draw a cylinder. All of you draw along with me. Draw 2 lines like this. Straight, should be straight line. Okay. And here it is slipping. That's why. Let me check whether any straight line is available. It is there. Okay. Wait. 2 lines you can draw. After that, 2 circles. I will show you how you to draw that. Lines and 2 circles. Top 1 circle. Two lines and 2 circles.
Right.
Okay. Good. Those who have drawn, very good.
Ma'am, Hiba finished.
Okay, good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, finished.
Ah, yes.
Ma'am, Nara's completed.
Those who completed, you can write the spaces and
Ma'am, I
edges.
didn't finish.
Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't finish.
Now let me ask you one question. Who is there?
Ma'am, I completed.
Answer. Oksana, please unmute and tell me how many faces are there for a cylinder?
Yes, ma'am.
How many faces are there for a cylinder?
2.
Only 2?
3. 3.
Now the number will be increased. No, dear. 3 faces.
6.
Somebody said
Mama,
6. See, for a cylinder, 1, 2, 3. How many faces?
3.
3 faces. Okay.
3.
3 faces.
3 faces.
Bhuvana, can you tell me how many edges are there?
Mama,
How many edges are there?
2.
2 edges. The 2 circles are the 2 edges. Good. Aaron, can you tell me how many corners are there? How many vertices are there for a cylinder?
Mama,
Vertices.
6.
For a
2.
cylinder, 6 vertices are there.
No corners. 0.
0. No vertices. No corners. So you can put a big 0.
Next is corn.
Yes, that after lunch we will continue. Okay. Have you all completed this one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anybody left to complete?
Ma'am, he's completed. Ma'am, Peppa completed.
Okay. If anybody is there to complete, left to complete, they can unmute and tell me.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Some
Ma'am, that's a
notes are coming. Let them write. Those who have completed, please revise these things again and again. Read it. Cuboid. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. For a cube, 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. For a cylinder, 3 faces, 2 edges, 0 vertices. Now, is there anybody to complete?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No.
Next, we will continue. One more period is there for us, right? So we will continue again in the next class. Okay. Try to keep your workbook with you for the next class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Have your
Bye,
lunch.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.